Welcome everyone to the second part of the purchase procedure in Tally ERP9 with GST. In the first part, we already prepared the purchase order, and based on the purchase orders received to the suppliers, they will start to deliver the materials to the destination point what we mentioned in the purchase orders. Okay, so before that one, let's just see the purchase orders available here. See, go to inventory books and purchase orders. And now you can see two numbers of purchase orders available here. First one is supplier A and second one is supplier B. Okay. Now after getting the purchase orders, the suppliers are started to deliver. So whenever materials are getting to the Cochin office, as per the purchase order, destination point is Cochin office. So Cochin office will receive the materials or goods from the supplier. So whenever getting the materials to the Cochin office, the storekeeper or stores manager or stores in charge will record the receipt of materials. So see, go to inventory vouchers. Then you can select here F9, that is receipt note. So in this point here, let's start the second stage of the purchase procedure, that is receipt note. Based on the delivery note, the storekeeper can understand that this supply is coming from supplier A. So he will put a reference number A slash 8 slash 1 slash 2020. This means supplier A month is August, purchase orders number 1 and 2020. Then just enter. So supplier A, whenever he is getting the delivery note, he can understand the supplier A. So that's why he selected supplier A. Then whenever we are selecting supplier A, now we can see a small window here, list of orders. Out of this list of orders, you have to select number one because this is number one is the purchase order. Okay. Now end of list. Then go ahead. Now come see, you can see the 25 numbers of mobile phones. We already given the purchase order number one, that is auto populated here. From here select, just go ahead. Okay, and here EVA bill is not required here because EVA bill has some other criteria to prepare now. Okay, being the cost of 25 numbers of iPhones 12 received. Okay, this is the narration what we are giving here, and just enter. Now let's see again. Let's go back to the display. First of all, let's go to the summary. Now see, you can see in stock or in your stock summary 20 numbers of iPhones with a cost of 70,000 per piece is available. Okay, this is the stock summary showing. Next one, see again, go back to inventory books, then not inventory books, go to statement of inventory, then purchase bill spending. See, now you can see that we can see that 25 numbers of mobile phones we received, but it is not billed, which means we have 25 numbers of mobile phones available, but this invoice is not submitted. That is why purchase bills are pending. So in this stage we can understand that this much stock is available, but it is not billed. So if you want to take this amount in your budget, you can take from the purchase bill spending because you already got the 25 numbers of mobile phones, so you have to pay this one. So if you want to record or if you want to include this amount to your budgeting for the payables, you can take this one from this purchase bill spending. Okay, now next stage is, see, after getting 25 numbers of mobile phones, the store's personnel understood that there is a damage of 5 numbers. Then what he will do, it's quite natural, he will return this 5 numbers to the supplier. Okay, so in that case, our third stage of purchase procedure, that is purchases returns or rejection out, is starting. So let's go to the inventory vouchers, then select rejection out, that is F6. Okay, now we are going to return the goods to the supplier A. So select here supplier A and enter, then item is mobile phone, just select mobile phone. Here this tracking number should be A/8/1/2020. Okay, this is the receipt number what we given at the time of receiving the goods. So this number should be selected, then only things will be okay. Then here how many numbers we are going to return, or how many quantity we are going to return, 5 numbers. So put here 5 number, then end of list. Then here we can give one narration be in the cost of 5 numbers of iPhones 12 returned due to damage. Okay, now that's finished. See, again let's go to stock summary. Now you can see in your stock only 20 numbers available because 5 numbers already returned. Okay, now next stage is after getting getting the goods we return 5 numbers. Now next stage is invoicing. So this invoicing stage is done by the Bangalore office. So supplier will submit the invoices to the Bangalore office. Whenever getting the invoices, Bangalore office will record the purchasing. So how they will record the purchasing? Go to account invoices, then select purchasing F9, then we can give a one bill number, supplier A, then list of tracking numbers we can see, we can put here this A, then just enter, everything will be auto populated here, being the cost of 20 numbers of iPhones 12 account art. Okay, this is the narration what we are giving here. Again enter, accept. Now let's go to the purchase bill spending. See, purchase bill spending. See here you can see any purchase orders pending because we already billed that one. That's why it is not showing anywhere. So whenever you can check here, you can understand any purchase bills are pending or not after tracking these things. Okay, next one is, so this invoice is received. Now we have to make the payment. So making payment means this is the before making the payment, let's see whether any bills are due for due for payment. So let's go to the outstanding payables. See here you can see local supplier A. Yes, bill is 15,68,000 is due for payment on October. So now assume this payment is due for releasing, then go back again. Now we are going to make this payment. Go to account invoices, then date we can put here 2nd October 20. Now this is payment voucher. We can give the payment by bank. See, now we are going to make the payment. So but whenever we are checking to the bank account, we can see here current balance is 0. So if your bank having no money, then how you can make the payment? So first of all we have to deposit some money to the bank for making this payment. So let's do that one. Okay, so here for depositing money to the bank we should select F4, that is contra entry. Okay, then select SBI cash. Let's put one CR into the bank. Okay, now it's asking the denomination. Let's put one denomination. Okay, okay, this is the denomination available. 200 rupees into 5000. Okay, now this is a reference number bank being the cash deposited in bank. Okay, now you can see in your bank account having money. See your SBA account showing 1 CR deposit. Okay, now we have the money for making this payment. So go back, account vouchers, payment, SBI, then supplier A. And whenever you are selecting a supplier, you can see this window here. Balance is available 15 lakhs 68,000. Okay, we are making this payment. See here, whenever you are making the payment, it should be selected against the reference. So you will get the invoice number. So select that invoice number, then give a reference 032156774. Okay, now being the payment made to supplier A fired reference number. Okay, like this. Now enter. See, now that payment is given. Then go back to statement of account, then outstanding, then payables. See, your payable account is nil. That means that payment is cleared. So if any payment is pending, you can go to the statement of account, then payables, then you can get the list of payables, anything available. Okay, and one more thing. Now again go back to statement of inventory books, go back to purchase orders. Again, see August 2 purchase orders are pending. One purchase order we already executed. Then why these two purchase orders are pending here? Let's check what is that one. See here 25 numbers are the no here see statement of inventory. Purchase orders outstanding. See, go back to all orders. Now two purchase orders again pending. We already executed one. Then why it is pending one? Two numbers. See here, first one is mobile phone. Mobile phone, five numbers. You can see here, ordered quantity is 25 numbers. Five numbers are balance quantity. Why this is showing like this? Because we already purchased 25 numbers, out of which 5 numbers returned due to damage, and that is why these 5 numbers are showing. Because as per our purchase order, we have to get 25 numbers, but we got only 20 numbers and 5 numbers still pending. So if you require to purchase again, or if you can go ahead with this purchase order and you can process. Suppose the purchase supplier is again supplying supplying to you the 5 numbers new iPhones in a good condition, you can again process this one like receipt note, receipt note, then invoicing, then making payment, like that. So that you can do it just like an exercise. Then here also this television, we already having one purchase order. This purchase order also you can process like the same way. Whenever you are getting the materials, receipt note, if anything to return, rejection out, then invoicing, then checking the due date of the payment, and if the payment is due, you can make the payment. And this is the way you can understand and you can trace everything under the purchase procedure. If you are following a purchase procedure like this, you can every department or every stage you can understand what is the status of our purchasing order or purchase procedure, where our purchase procedure is reaching, we can understand easily. So I hope you people understand the video, and if you like the video, kindly share and subscribe, and also press the bell icon for getting my new updates. Thank you.